Latte art. It's beautiful, magical, and for many baristas a bit of a mystery, but it doesn't need to be. Hi, I'm Alessandro Zengiaro, UK Latte Art Champion, and this is my course, Latte Art Fundamentals. Amazing latte art can seem like magic, but just like magic trick, it's all about knowing the right technique to pull the rabbit out of the hat. So I'm revealing all my secrets. In my course, you will discover how to get the perfect microphone for latte art, pouring technique to master heart and tulip, next level design like rosetta and winged tulips, and so much more. Latte art can elevate your skill and experience in ways you could never imagine. The world of latte art is waiting for you. All you have to do is start the journey. So, join me for Latte Art Fundamentals over on Tipsy.